Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to clear the terminal in VS Code in just a couple of clicks or keystrokes. Let's make that messy terminal look brand new. First of all, open the VS Code and open the file. Then in Windows there is the keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl plus K, then press Ctrl Shift. Some setup just need Ctrl L. After that, in the terminal, open the terminal. Right here, clear, CLEAR, enter it. Or for PowerShell, you can click or type CLS. Method 3 is the trash icon. Click the trash icon in the terminal toolbar. As you can see here is the kill terminal option. Simply click the trash icon and start a fresh one. And that's it. Now you can clear your VS Code terminal instantly and keep your workspace clean. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more quick VS Code tips, and let me know in the comment what shortcut you use most. Happy coding!